My name is Michael Steinberg. I'm a senior enterprise project management consultant with the Project Group America, TPG. TPG is an international company that does enterprise project management consulting. We also have a number of specialty tools that we have developed and that we market that support integration of Project Server and SharePoint with financial tools. Our cornerstone product is something called PS Link, which allows you to integrate information from SAP into Project Server in a bi-directional fashion. So this really allows people who are running SAP and use the Project Systems module of SAP and also use Microsoft Project to keep those in synchronization and keep them in alignment automatically. SAP does not have the depth and granularity as a project scheduling engine that Microsoft Project has. And project managers want to collect information from their team members using an EPM system to gather that information and to do their project planning, their project forecasting and updating. The finance people need that information as well in order to invoice their customers, in order to pay their suppliers, and so on and so forth. PS Link allows two-way integration between Project Server and SAP. The newest product we have that we're very excited about is a system called the Project Management Control System, which is an integrated project management system that leverages Project Professional, Project Server, SharePoint. It brings together a number of project management control functions, financial functions, scheduling functions, project initiation, basically a lot of the functions and processes that are part of the project management lifecycle are provided for by different modules within PMCS. For example, project initiation, creation of a project charter, a business case, creation of the project schedule from a template. Those are all controlled through an automatic workflow that we've developed as part of this system. Then when you get into the project execution stage, whereas SharePoint now supports risks and issues, we have enhanced that with things like change management, lessons learned, meeting minutes, travel requests, and a slew of about 20 or 30 additional plug-in modules that essentially allow the project manager and project team to have one central, one-stop shopping place to integrate all of the project functions. The customer for whom we designed and developed it was Microsoft. Microsoft Data Center Services Division, the people that build the data centers to run the cloud. It uses PS Link to pull information from SAP on purchase orders, change orders, budgets, and actual expenditures, and it transforms that into a form that the specific project managers can understand and displays that in basically a SharePoint page, a SharePoint list, or a web part, or a report from SQL Server reporting services. And it allows people to go in and associate project information that's not contained in SAP, such as project expenditure requests. It allows them to essentially tie purchase orders to particular expenditure requests so that they know where the justification is coming from and when they've used it up and so forth. And then there's a number of management modules that are specific to the construction industry. In addition to the ones I mentioned before, there's things like punch lists, hot lists, notices to comply, some very construction-specific things. We are also adapting it for a large power utility out on the West Coast, and we are also adapting it for a large pharmaceutical company in the Northeast.
If people want to learn more about the product, where should they go?
They should go to our website, www.tpgamerica.com.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you, Diane.